Apply. Just search this story on our website or our news app. Bronson Healthcare in Southwest Michigan announcing today they have raised their facilities to a heightened orange surge status.
It means they're changing how they operate right now because they're seeing substantial increases in the number of COVID patients coming in. Michael Martin has the story.
We are still dealing with something major, and I think anybody who works inside a healthcare facility is crying for help right now.
As we've waded through the past nearly 2 years of the pandemic, infection rates have ebbed and flowed, but hospital bed capacity has stayed mostly consistent.
It's been pretty consistently at capacity. I think we have had some periods where we have flexed down just a little bit.
On Tuesday, Bronson Healthcare announced that their hospitals in Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, and Paw Paw have been upgraded to an orange surge level.
Our COVID numbers are climbing. We are seeing an increase in our COVID positive patients in our ICUs, our med surge units. We're seeing an increase in our pediatric positive patients, but we're also seeing a huge surge regionally and throughout the state of patients requiring care that is not COVID related.
Some of the changes the hospitals will now enact, COVID related and emergent care will be prioritized. Nurse to patient ratios adjusted, documentation typically required for patients is reduced, and hours may be limited if staffing or supply issues emerge.
So we are seeing patients come in now who are having a higher acuity of care, and so the care that's required of them while they're in the hospital is a higher level of care, and it's even more taxing on the teams.
And Bronson's facilities aren't the only hospitals nearing full capacity in West Michigan. Spectrum Blodgett sits at 96% full, Spectrum Butterworth at 92%, Helen DeVos Children's at 88%, Ascension Borges Hospital in Kalamazoo at 77%, and University of Michigan Health West in Wyoming at 87%.
The majority of patients across the state who are hospitalized, about 75%, and that is a consistent trend here in Kalamazoo and across the state, are unvaccinated. So it's important to get your vaccines and wear your masks. We are not out of the woods.
Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.